Good morning, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly special in store for you, a 10-minute morning yoga exercise tailored for beginners. If you're looking to start your day with a dose of energy, flexibility, and inner peace, you're in the right place. Whether you're new to yoga or simply seeking a gentle way to awaken your body and mind, this practice is designed to set a positive tone for your day ahead. So, roll out your yoga mat, find a quiet space, and let's dive into this rejuvenating journey. Segment 1: The benefits of morning yoga. Before we flow through our practice, let's explore the incredible benefits of starting your day with yoga. Morning yoga can help increase blood circulation, improve flexibility, boost your mood, and set a positive intention for the day. It's like a gift you give yourself, allowing you to greet the world with a calm and centered mind. Segment 2: Mindful breathing and cantering. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position on your mat. Close your eyes, place your hands on your belly, and take a deep inhale through your nose, allowing your belly to expand. Exhale slowly, feeling your belly gently contract. Let's take a few more deep breaths like this, anchoring ourselves in the present moment. Segment 3: Gentle warm-up. Slowly, let's transition to all fours for some gentle movements. Inhale, arch your back and lift your tailbone for cow pose. Exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin for cat pose. Flow through these poses at your own pace, tuning into your body's sensations. Segment 4: Sun salutations. Now, let's flow through a couple of sun salutations to awaken the body. Inhale, raise your arms overhead in mountain pose. Exhale, fold forward into forward fold. Inhale, look up and lengthen your spine. Exhale, step back into plank pose and lower your knees, chest, and chin to the mat. Inhale, lift your chest for cobra pose. Exhale, push back to downward facing dog. Take a few breaths here, stretching and lengthening your spine. Segment 5: Standing poses. From downward dog, step forward into forward fold. Inhale, rise to mountain pose. Exhale, step your right foot back into a lunge for warrior eye. Inhale, lift your arms and gaze upward. Exhale, bring your hands to heart center and twist toward your left knee. Inhale, return to warrior eye. Exhale, step forward and repeat on the other side. Segment 6: Balancing poses. Let's find our balance with tree pose. Place your right foot on your left inner thigh and bring your hands to heart center. Inhale, find your focus. Exhale, extend your arms overhead like branches. Breathe and find your stability. Release and switch sides. Segment 7: Seated stretches. Come to a seated position for gentle stretches. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward in seated forward bend. Inhale, sit tall. Exhale, twist to the right for seated twist. Inhale, center yourself. Exhale, twist to the left. Segment 8: Final relaxation. Let's finish our practice with corpse pose. Lie down on your back, arms by your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and relax every muscle. Let go of any tension and simply breathe. And there you have it, a revitalizing 10-minute morning yoga exercise for beginners. If you enjoyed this practice, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it beneficial. Leave a comment below to let us know how you feel after this practice or to share your morning routine with us. We will respond to your comments or questions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more uplifting content. As you go about your day, carry the sense of peace and vitality that you've cultivated on your mat. Remember, a positive morning sets the tone for a beautiful day ahead.